Artificial intelligence. It's a term that has become ubiquitous in our modern world. We hear it in conversations, read about it in articles, and see it in movies. But what does it really mean? At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is about creating machines that can think and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, understanding complex concepts, solving problems, and making decisions. Imagine a machine that can learn from its mistakes, adapt to new situations, and even come up with creative solutions to problems. That's the essence of AI. This ability to mimic human intelligence has profound implications for our society and the way we live our lives. AI has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our daily existence. In healthcare, for instance, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and developing personalized treatment plans. In transportation, self-driving cars promise to make our roads safer and more efficient. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, and accidents are drastically reduced. The quest to create thinking machines is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It reflects our deep-seated curiosity about the nature of intelligence itself. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we are not only creating a new future but also embarking on a journey to understand our own minds. The study of AI forces us to ask fundamental questions about what it means to be intelligent and how our brains work. Neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain, are a key component of many AI systems. These networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons that process information in a way that is similar to how our brains do. AI is also making its mark in education, where intelligent tutoring systems can provide personalized learning experiences for students. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots are increasing efficiency and precision, transforming the way products are made. The financial sector is another area where AI is having a significant impact. From fraud detection to algorithmic trading, AI is helping to make financial systems more secure and efficient. In entertainment, AI is being used to create more immersive and interactive experiences, from video games to virtual reality. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI also brings with it important ethical considerations. How do we ensure that AI is used for the benefit of all and not just a select few? How do we address issues of bias and fairness in AI systems? AI has the potential to help us tackle some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, from climate change to space exploration. By harnessing the power of AI, we can develop innovative solutions to protect our planet and explore new frontiers. The possibilities are endless, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface of what AI can achieve. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay, and it will play an increasingly important role in shaping our future. So the next time you hear the term artificial intelligence, remember that it represents not just a technological advancement, but a profound shift in how we understand and interact with the world around us. AI is not just about creating smart machines, it's about unlocking the full potential of human ingenuity and imagination. The idea of artificial intelligence is not new. It has roots that stretch back through the annals of history, capturing the imaginations of thinkers, philosophers, and dreamers alike. It has captivated the human imagination for centuries. From the earliest days of human civilization, people have been fascinated by the concept of creating beings that could think and act on their own. This fascination is evident in the myths, legends, and stories passed down through generations. Ancient Greek myths told of Hephaestus, a god who created mechanical servants. These tales were not just flights of fancy, but reflections of a deep-seated desire to understand and replicate the processes of thought and action. These stories reveal a timeless fascination with the idea of artificial beings capable of thought and action. They show that the quest to create thinking machines is as old as human curiosity itself. The ancients pondered the nature of intelligence and the possibility of imbuing inanimate objects with lifelike qualities. Fast forward to the 17th century, philosopher René Descartes pondered the distinction between mind and body. His meditations on the nature of consciousness and the essence of human thought laid the groundwork for future explorations into artificial intelligence. He questioned whether machines could ever truly think, or if they were merely sophisticated imitations of human behavior. Descartes' philosophical inquiries opened up new avenues of thought, challenging the boundaries between the mechanical and the mental. This question continues to be debated today, highlighting the enduring philosophical questions surrounding AI. Scholars, scientists, and technologists still grapple with the implications of creating machines that can mimic or even surpass human intelligence. The seeds of modern AI were sown in the 19th century. During this period, significant advancements in mathematics and logic began to pave the way for the development of computational theories. Mathematician George Boole developed Boolean algebra, a system of logic that would later form the basis of computer science. Boole's work was revolutionary, providing a framework for understanding and manipulating logical statements in a way that could be applied to machines. His work laid the groundwork for the digital age and the eventual development of intelligent machines. The principles of Boolean algebra became fundamental to the design of circuits and the operation of computers, setting the stage for the incredible advancements in AI that we see today. As the 20th century dawned, the dream of thinking machines began to take on a more tangible form. Pioneers in the field of computing, such as Alan Turing, began to explore the theoretical underpinnings of machine intelligence. Turing's work on the concept of a universal machine laid the foundation for modern computer science and artificial intelligence. Turing proposed that a machine could be designed to simulate any human intelligence process, given the right programming and sufficient computational power. This idea was revolutionary and set the stage for the development of programmable computers. Throughout the mid-20th century, researchers and scientists made significant strides in the field of AI. Early experiments in machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics began to show promise, hinting at the potential for machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. Today, artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream but a rapidly advancing reality. From self-driving cars to intelligent personal assistants, AI technologies are becoming an integral part of our daily lives. The journey from ancient myths to modern marvels is a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge and innovation. As we look to the future, the possibilities for AI seem boundless. The dream of thinking machines continues to inspire and challenge us, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. The story of AI is far from over, and the next chapters promise to be even more exciting and transformative. The 20th century witnessed the birth of artificial intelligence as we know it. This era was marked by rapid advancements in technology and a growing curiosity about the potential of machines. Scientists and engineers were beginning to explore the possibilities of creating machines that could perform tasks previously thought to require human intelligence. British mathematician Alan Turing played a pivotal role in this revolution. Turing, often regarded as the father of computer science, was a visionary who saw beyond the limitations of his time. His work laid the groundwork for the development of modern computing and artificial intelligence. During World War II, Turing's code-breaking skills proved instrumental in deciphering German messages. He was part of a top-secret team at Bletchley Park, where he developed the Bombay machine, which was crucial in breaking the Enigma code. This achievement not only shortened the war but also showcased the potential of machines to solve complex problems. This experience fueled his interest in the capabilities of machines. Turing began to ponder deeper questions about the nature of intelligence and whether machines could ever truly think like humans. His wartime experiences provided a practical foundation for his theoretical inquiries. In 1950, Turing published his seminal paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence. This paper was a landmark in the field of artificial intelligence, proposing ideas that were far ahead of their time. Turing's insights challenged the prevailing notions of what machines could achieve. This groundbreaking work introduced the Turing test, a thought experiment designed to assess a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior. The Turing test was a simple yet profound idea. If a machine could engage in a conversation that was indistinguishable from a human's, it could be considered intelligent. This concept provided a clear and measurable goal for AI researchers. The test proposes that if a machine can carry on a conversation that is indistinguishable from a human's, it can be considered intelligent. This idea was revolutionary because it shifted the focus from the internal workings of the machine to its external behavior. It suggested that intelligence could be judged by performance rather than by the underlying mechanisms. The Turing test sparked intense debate and laid the foundation for the field of artificial intelligence. Scholars and scientists from various disciplines began to explore the implications of Turing's ideas. Philosophers questioned the nature of consciousness and intelligence, while engineers and computer scientists sought to build machines that could pass the test. It provided a concrete goal for researchers and ignited the quest to create machines that could truly think. The Turing test became a benchmark for progress in AI, inspiring generations of researchers to push the boundaries of what machines could do. Turing's vision continues to influence the field, as scientists and engineers strive to create intelligent systems that can understand, learn, and interact with the world in ways that were once thought impossible. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. And let me know in the comments below.